Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of tagging someone in a group chat on Facebook Messenger. If you want to grab someone's attention or direct a message to a specific person within a group, this full guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. If you haven't already, head over to the Google Play Store. Tap on it to open the app. Step 2. In the search bar, type Messenger Facebook. Look for the app with a blue and pink gradient featuring a horizontal lightning bolt. Step 3. Tap on the app and select Install. Alternatively, you can hold the option and tap on Install for additional settings. Step 4. Once the app finishes downloading, tap on Open to launch it. Sign in using your usual Facebook credentials. Step 5. Tap on a group chat where you want to tag someone. Step 6. In the input bar, type the @ symbol, the @ sign, and options that include the group members will appear. Step 7. You can choose from the menu that just appeared, or if you know the specific account you want to tag, continue typing their name. By following these simple steps, you can easily tag someone in a group chat on Facebook Messenger, ensuring that your message reaches the intended recipient. This feature is particularly useful when you want to direct a message to a specific person within a group, or need their attention for a particular topic. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.